Picture this. You're just trying to check Amazon or Walmart. You type the site name in the address bar, and suddenly your screen freezes with a loud alarm. Your computer has a virus. Call Microsoft immediately or all your files will be deleted. You panic and call to later discover your bank account was drained. Welcome to Scam Signal, the channel exposing the darkest online threats to your money and your trust. Today we're exposing Tech Support Scams 2026, how scammers hijack Google ads to trap you, take remote control of your computer and steal thousands, with 2 real victim stories and the exact steps to never fall for it. Here's exactly how it happens in 2026. You type Amazon or Walmart into the web browser. The top result isn't the real site, it's a paid malicious ad that looks identical. You click it, and a fake virus alert pops on your screen, with sirens, countdown timers, and fake error codes. The scammers behind it are in call centers overseas, waiting for the victims to call in panic. They use remote access tools to diagnose non-existent problems and demand payment in gift cards, crypto, or wire transfers. Real story. In February 2026, a 68-year-old widow in West Memphis, we'll call her Helen, was reading the news. A pop-up claimed her computer was infected. She called the number. The fake technician took remote control, showed fake errors, and convinced her to pay $37,600 in protection fees via wire transfer. She lost her entire life savings. Helen's story is one of thousands reported this year. Another victim, a Florida retiree searching for Walmart deals, clicked a fake ad. Within minutes, the scammer had full screen control, claimed ransomware, and demanded $12,000 in Bitcoin. He paid, then discovered his bank accounts were also drained. In 2026, these scams use AI to make pop-ups more convincing and spoof real Microsoft and Apple phone numbers. Losses are in the hundreds of millions. Red flags. Sudden loud pop-up with sirens or countdown. Microsoft or Apple never contacts you this way. They ask for remote access or payment in gift cards or crypto. Pressure to act immediately. Prevention. Never call numbers from pop-ups. Close the browser or restart the computer. Use official sites only. Type the site address manually or use bookmarks. Install reputable antivirus with pop-up blocker. Never give remote access to anyone you didn't call first. Report instantly to the FTC and IC3. Links on the comment below. Tech support scams turn a simple Google search into financial disaster, but now you know exactly how they work. At Scam Signal, we'll keep exposing these threats so you stay one step ahead. If this scared you straight, smash that like button, drop a comment. Have you ever seen one of these fake virus pop-ups? Your stories help others. Subscribe and hit the bell, next one is coming fast. Share this with parents and grandparents, it could save them thousands. Thanks for watching. Stay vigilant. Stay safe.